You speak confidentially. You speak House of Modern English.
And the topic of the word is, they are waiting for my fall, to whom we taught how to fly.
Have a great salam to all of you. This is me, Raksha, starting with the greatest name for Allah, who's most Rahmanu Rahim. Not for me, not for you, but for the entire universe. And then I paid thanks my parents and my number teacher, and the knowledge of Sayyid Shahid Khan. Because whom today I am here. So today my golden instruction is simply like that. They are waiting for my foal, to who taught me to fly. So that is a thing that everybody
I taught how to fly.
to whom I taught how to fly. So that is a thing that they are waiting for my foal, to whom that I taught how to fly. Because now they are not accepting my success. Now they are not digesting my success. That is the main point. That when the person are not in the low, when they are in the ground, the people are not going for them. They are just giving them the disrespecting them. But when they are starting to fly, when they are having a person who gives them the motivation, who gives them the gear to fly, who gives them the power, who gives them the way to fly, now they are waiting for the fall of that person. Because now they know that he is only a person who can talk for the one person who is building them, who can talk for the one person who can fight for the person building them. That's why Bruce Lee always says that when people are trying hard to fight the truth, when people are trying hard to give you fall, then on that time your spark will make more higher. When you are sparking for the person who develop you. That is the thing, that now that they are not digesting my success. That is why now they are waiting for my fall. That when I fall, that time they are starting to turn my developer. They are starting to attack because I am the one who can become the shield in front of my developer. Now I fight from my heart and soul for the person who gives me the effort from heart and soul. That is why now they are starting to defeating me by their nice talk. They are becoming the sweet knife in front of them. Now it is what the people are doing. They are just doing the same thing. When you are starting to rise, and when you are on your rise, they are starting to say a good thing to you. They are starting to say that nice, they have become the nice knife for you. And when their nice words are become the more dangerous weapon for you, because they are more dangerous for your enemy. They are more dangerous than your enemy because they are becoming your well-wisher. They are also fake. They are start to degrade you. They are start to shatter you. On that time, they are starting to say your nice words. That is thing. And our master always said that when you want that somebody is shattered, when the belief is shattered, when you want to shatter the belief of someone, you can start to cut off from the person who gives them the belief. That is the main thing, that now people are starting to, when they want that our belief is shattered, they started to cut off us from the person who gives them the belief. Thank you, that's all. They are jealousy my success. So why you see there? Because they also wants to fall in you. So why you see that? You say that when the Bruce Lee do. So why you give the example? Why you don't make an example? Speaking, you are in the thought and you are in some garden. I just give the quote of the Bruce Lee. I am not giving the example of the Bruce Lee. And that is the thing. And if you are giving as much about the example, that why you are not making the example? What example you make in this coaching? What example you make for your master? That is the main thing. Where everybody are starting to grumble for everybody. That he is not doing. But we cannot see our own self that what we are doing. If somebody is not doing and you know that this is an injustice, now your work is twice more better. That now you have to fight more better than before, because now you know that there is an injustice. The person is deceiving your master, on that time you have to fight more. But we are not doing that type of thing. We are just starting to blaming person that what you are doing, why you are not making an example. The thing is that just ask question from your own self that why I am not the example in front of the person who are doing the injustice for my master. Okay, Miss, now you said that why you don't be an example. So, Miss, so what I do now, because I want to be an example for my master. That's why now I hard work. And you said the people deceiving some masters, so they deceiving, but my master not wants to teaching them who deceiving, who respect themselves. So why you say that they're deceiving? Okay, as much you are saying that I want to do, that is the main thing, that we just want, that we want to do something for the person and developer. We want to do something for develop our country. We want to do something. But why we are not saying we have to do this thing? That is the main thing. We are just saying we want to, we can do, we will do. But why we don't have to do? That is the main thing. This is the mentality of our person. That's why our country is not developing, because we just thinking that we want to do, we will do, we can do, but we don't have to do. That is the main thing. And second thing you are saying about that our master don't teach them, that the thing that they are teaching the person who discipline our master, the one who are the one who get the respect from our master. They are the one who know that how to respect the person. That is the main thing. They are now, when they are nothing, they are starting to folding hand in front of our master. They are respecting for our master. But when they know something, they are starting to deceiving our master. And it will not affect our master, because we are in a legitimate mindset. It will not affect our master, but it will affect your go. It will affect your game, because our master said, when you start to deceiving the person who developed you, your talent and your downfall will start now.
Clap it, clap it.